Hello and welcome back to my channel. Python has become a daily practicing language of our programming routine. But do you know Python is an interpreter language? And why Python is an interpreter language? In this video, we will get to know about these and a hidden fact about Python, and then we will learn advantages and disadvantages of interpreter languages. But before starting the video, if you are new here, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to receive every new video update. Python is one of the most popular interpreted languages, but have you ever thought about why Python is called an interpreted language while other programming languages like C, C++, Java, etc. generate results after compilation? So, you might be curious about what is this interpreted language? And how is this different from the language which generates results after compilation? To answer the question, we must know what interpreted means. Interpreted in simple terms means running code line by line. It also means that the instruction is executed without earlier compiling the whole program into machine language. Now, let us discuss how Python works as an interpreted language. Consider a scenario where you are trying to run a Python code, but unfortunately, you have made some mistakes at the bottom of the code. You will find that there is an error generated for obvious reasons, but along with the error, you will find the output of the program till the line of the program is correct. This is possible because Python reads the code line by line and generates output based on the code. Whenever it finds any error in the line, it stops running and generates an error statement. Python is an interpreted language is the most common saying, which is also written in various books, but the hidden fact is Python is both compiled as well as an interpreted language. This means when we run a Python code, it is first compiled and then interpreted line by line. The compilation part is mostly hidden from the user. While running the code, Python generates a bytecode internally. This bytecode is then converted using a Python virtual machine to generate the output. Note, the compile part gets deleted as soon as the code gets executed so that the programmer doesn't get onto unnecessary complexity. Advantages of interpreted languages. An interpreted language gives some extra benefits and flexibility over compiled language. Since the interpreter reads instructions line by line and generates output till the point the code is correct. The ease of debugging increases as it is easier to get information about the source point of error. The size of programs written in Python is less as compared to other languages. As Python generates bytecode before interpretation, this bytecode can be used by any other platform to generate output. Disadvantages of interpreted languages. A program that is executed in an interpreted language is slower as compared to a language that is directly compiled. It happens because the line of codes passes through an interpretation runtime. The code has to be compiled, and after compilation, a bytecode file is generated before interpretation, which makes the execution time high. Therefore, due to this problem, the runtime complexity of the program increases. Do you guys have any question in your mind? Do not hesitate to ask your queries in comments section. I will try to answer each of your queries. Stay tuned for more upcoming and new videos. Until the next time, goodbye.